Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and we're smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day.
Now this part of Abakaliki land they sell now what's cake. Nobody they agree buy land the other side and this side. Because of Centenary City, all the old development where they go towards Africa. You understand?
Yeah, how much can they sell out there?
Now they cost you.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Where go, ma'am? This is Yamami Market.
Barracks.
Yes, this barracks. Where go cantonments? Why along this side can be Kahabala at that time? Look, the door here appreciates God for me. Because land here appreciated very, very well. God dualization.
And it's also, you get to sell there where they make the cheap. Where we get this from?
I don't know.
We don't get fish. Dry fish.
I don't know.
I forgot this area, they don't get fish.
I don't even do makeup again. I feel like I did. You know why I said we should start this video in the morning? Son put our hand like it a phone and eat one. See our phone on any phone on it on. You understand? And this is some Fuego Cantonment. This is it. This is it. This is it.
It's
lóòdò.
Ana amaya. Because how did it happen? I don't want to tire you. I tire at dust. For this car.
That dust wey dey run for. Aye.
And you spoil the car.
For how long you go wait for this one?
Car no be road don white. When you run. That side they never come. Straight, have you?
Yes, if you're going to Igbo, this is the road. Hupo! Yeah. This is Timber. Timber. I have a video of Timber in case you want to see how it looks. I think the new building site is after this. Okay, I might only make my phone.
Huh? Where else it goes?
I want my seatbelt. It's you. It's you. Going to Ehugbo. This is Iza South Local Government.
Is that?
Yes. Eza, that's what they call it. Eza. no again.
I'm not okay again.
Tension is clear. Next level is not negotiable. Ebonyi State is now so sweet. You know, say you didn't back.
Yeah, that is not making much of break. That is better.
Okay. Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Trump officer, what do you? Yeah, so now.
Where would they come? Where would they come?
Thank you.
Where would they come? So today na weekend. The police, but they are trying. It's not easy, as in
some teams just control them because they are very uniform. Nothing can sign them.
And they get their own family. Like, it's just that there are some of them when they use because they carry this uniform do wickedness.
Yes, now some are
So, it's well. Life no balance.
I want to see the sign of modernization as in urbanization. You know that? How do you do that to each other? You know, fine houses upstairs.
Imani iru agone ekuko. Ekuko do here no be him.
I want to move to the pastor.
Yeah, I think if like say the port like they do flyover here.
They don't do what they do. They don't do a finish.
They don't do a finish. No be swanty though. Yeah, I don't even know say flyover don't reach here. As in, no one can fly over me. Me, I don't know again. No more better answer. More better answer. If I say I'm straight, I will here. No answer here. So that will go court. Good morning.
Okay, who's Africa, baby? Direct. Nothing to you.
Don't be smart, you know. That is here and I'm still on again. Smart. Hey, you didn't do tunnel, glass tunnel on top. water where they pack up. There, who go? Oh no. Did you notice that the weather changed immediately we crossed that bridge? It became cooler. Maybe because of the mountains. Abi? The hills saw as the mountains. There, who go on?
Keep straight.
I think the later Caribbean is from Africa. Abi?
Maybe.
It's from Africa.
They want to use.
Yeah?
Bad nights and
Maybe they were to one here.
all those Los Baja,
Okay, river there, yeah. See, caterpillar they come also. Okay. Where would they come? We go near. I think go near past Enugu. No overtake here. No see for front. All those kinds of cosmetics. Silent deaths. Overtake. Now, if they do Okute here too. They don't know they got the get anything to come and buy.
You don't call it what you call it.
How they done?
One by your photo.
Kind of Okute. Amoha. Here is Amoha. The other side is Akoha. Hey, and this thing a big one. Oh.
No.
Hey,
Yeah, this thing. One video.
you no go catch. You go catch so. Wow. If not be say fine, I here go be the main day. Say fine. Chippings. Wetin dey drive? Some people are just too wicked. Tell you.
And they don't get it.
Which kind gallop dey here now? Which kind gallop dey here now wey no go pass him lane? You see 06 now.
6-0, nice. Sorry. Hey, go on. Dualization of affix begins here.
Begins here.